Honor Magic V3. Specs. Colors. Reddish brown, green, black. Dimensions and weight. Height. 156.6 mm. Width. Folded. 74.0 mm. Unfolded. 145.3 mm. Depth. Black version. Folded. 9.2 mm. Unfolded. 4.35 mm. Other version. Folded. 9.3 mm. Unfolded. 4.4 mm. Weight. Black version. Approximately 226 grams including the battery. Other version. Approximately 230 grams including the battery. The actual dimensions and weight may vary depending on the configuration, manufacturing process, and measurement method. Display. Size. Inner screen. 7.92 inches. Outer screen. 6.43 inches. The display screen adopts a rounded corner design. When measured according to a standard rectangle, the diagonal length of the screen is 6.43 inches for the outer screen and 7.92 inches for the inner screen. The actual viewing area is slightly smaller. Aspect ratio. Inner screen. 9.78. 9. Outer screen. 20. 9. Color. 1.07 billion colors, DCI-P3 wide color gamut. Type. Inner screen. Foldable OLED. Outer screen. OLED. Eye comfort technology. AID focus display. 4320 Hz PWM flicker-free dimming, dynamic dimming, circadian night display, nature tone display. This product is not medical equipment and is not available for treatment. Resolution. Inner screen. 2344 x 2156 pixels. Outer screen. 2376 x 1060 pixels. This resolution corresponds to a standard rectangle, and the actual screen has slightly fewer effective pixels. Gestures. Supported. Processor. CPU model. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. CPU type. Octa-core. CPU dominant frequency. 1 times Cortex-X4 3.3 GHz plus 3 times Cortex-A 723.2 GHz plus 2 times Cortex-A 723.0 GHz plus 2 times Cortex-A 522.3 GHz. GPU. Adreno 750. Keyboard type. Gestures. 3-key navigation, navigation dock. System. Operating system. Magic OS 8.0.1 based on Android 14. User interface. Magic OS 8.0.1. Memory. 12 GB plus 512 GB. The available internal storage may be smaller as part of the internal storage is occupied by software. Rear camera. Triple rear camera. 40 megapixels ultra-wide camera f2.2. 50 megapixels wide camera f1.6, OIS. 50 megapixels telephoto lens camera f3.0, OIS. The pixels may vary with different photo and video modes. Please refer to the actual situations. Video shooting. Support for 4K 3840 x 2160 pixels. The actual image resolution may vary depending on the video recording mode. Focus mode. 100x digital zoom. Image resolution. 8192 x 6144 pixels. The actual image resolution may vary depending on the shooting mode. Video resolution. 3840 x 2160 pixels. The actual image resolution may vary depending on the video recording mode. Rear flashlight. Rear single LED flash. Capture mode. AI photography, super wide angle, aperture, night, portrait mode, photo, pro mode, video, panorama, filter, watermark, scan document, super macro, capture smiles, time lapse, timer, movie, slow-mo, story. Stabilization mode. ICE plus OIS. Front camera. 20 megapixels wide camera f2.2 interior screen. 20 megapixels wide camera f2.2 exterior screen. The pixels may vary with different photo and video modes. Please refer to the actual situations. Image resolution. 5120 x 3840 pixels. The actual image resolution may vary depending on the shooting mode. Video resolution. 3840 x 2160 pixels. The actual image resolution may vary depending on the video recording mode. Video shooting. Supported 4K 3840 x 2160 pixels. The actual image resolution may vary depending on the video recording mode. Capture mode. portrait, filter, watermark, capture smiles, mirror reflection, timer, night, gesture control. Face recognition, supported 2D, battery, capacity, 5150 mAh, typical value, 5050 mAh, rated value. Type, lithium polymer battery, Honor 3rd generation silicon carbon battery. Wired charging, 66W Honor Supercharge. The phone supports up to 11 volts, 6A supercharge, compatible with 10 volts, 4A and 5V 2A. The supported maximum wired charging power is 66W when going with the original supercharge charger. The actual charging power will intelligently change depending on different scenarios. Standard charger, Honor 66W supercharge charger. Wireless charging, 50W wireless Honor supercharge. The wireless charging base is sold separately. The actual charging power will change intelligently with different scenarios. Please refer to the actual situation. Cellular network, network standard, support 5G, 4G+, 4G, 3G, 2G. Asterisk in dual SIM version, either card slot can be set to accommodate the primary or secondary SIM card. Whether 5G, 4G is available depends on the deployment of operators, network and related services. Data service, 5G NR-TD-LTE, FDD-LTE, WCDMA, HSPA+, DCHSDPA, CDMA1X, Edge GPRS, support Volt-Vilt. The network and frequency band may vary with regions. The actual situations depend on local operators and your location. Volt-Vilt depends on the support of operators, network and establishment of related services. SIM card, SIM card 1, Nano SIM card, SIM card 2, Nano SIM card, eSIM. eSIM requires a wireless service plan and allows you to activate a mobile network plan without the use of a nano SIM. eSIM availability may vary depending on country and carrier. Please check the support list for details. For dual SIM model, SIM card 2 can be set up as eSIM or nano card. For single SIM model, SIM card 2 only support eSIM. Internet access on the secondary SIM card. Supported. Blind mating is supported, which allows you to configure any card as the primary SIM card. Open. Switch data connection during calls. In. Dual SIM settings, to enable secondary SIM card internet accessibility during calls. Volt call via the secondary SIM card depends on the carrier network. Connectivity and location. Wi-Fi protocols. 802.118b per gram NAC AX-B. Wi-Fi frequency. 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Wi-Fi hotspot. Supported. Wi-Fi direct. Supported. Bluetooth. Bluetooth 5.3, support Bluetooth Low Energy, SBC, AAC, LDAC, aptX, aptX HD. Infrared remote control, supported. PC data sync, supported. Video call, supported. Operator and third-party software. The availability of this function depends on the network operators in different countries or regions. Contact your network operator for details. OTG. Supported maximum output current 1.5A, 5V during reverse power supply. Positioning. Support GPS L1 plus L5, A GPS, GLONASS, Beta B1I plus B1C plus B2A, Galileo, E1 plus E5A, QZSS, L1 plus L5. Network-based positioning. Supported. Wi-Fi-based positioning. Supported. Sensors. Gravity sensor. Supported. Infrared sensor. Supported. Fingerprint sensor. Supported. Gyroscope. Supported. Compass. Supported. Hall sensor. Supported. Barometer sensor. Supported. Color temperature sensor. Supported. NFC. Support reader writer mode, card emulation mode, SIM, HCE. Only SIM1 support. Ambient light sensor. Supported. Proximity sensor. Supported. Others. Video. 3GP MP4. Audio. MP3 MP4 thirds GP OGG AMR AAC flat wave MIDI. Sound effect. DTS. X Ultra. Stereo amplifier. Supported. Water and dust resistance. IPX8. Honor Magic V3 is rated as IPX8 for splash and water resistance under IEC standard 60529 and was tested under controlled laboratory conditions. Splash and water resistance are not permanent conditions and resistance may decrease over time with normal use. Do not charge the phone when it is wet or in moist environments. Refer to the manual for cleaning and drying instructions. Submersion in liquid and the resulting damage is not covered by the warranty. IPX8 rating means that based on certain defined test conditions, the device is protected against harmful ingress of static water at up to 2.5 meters, for up to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, the temperature difference between water and device is not more than 5. USB, USB Type-C, USB 3.1 GEN1. Earjack, USB Type-C. Supports Type-C digital headset. In the box. 1. Phone built-in battery times 1. 2. Honor supercharge charger times 1. 3. USB Type-C cable times 1. 4. Quick start guide times 1. 5. Eject tool times 1. 6. Inner screen protective film attached on the phone before delivery times 1. 7. External screen protective film attached on the phone before delivery times 1. 8. Warranty card times 1. 9. Poo protective cover times 1. Dependent on market.